Moving on to news from Afghanistan. As Taliban continue to launch their offensive as US-led foreign forces withdraw after 2 decades of war in Afghanistan and Afghan forces wrest back insurgents' control, US has urged Afghanistan's neighbors to play a constructive role in Afghan peace talks in order for there to be a just and durable peace in the country. U.S. State Department spokesman Ned Price at a press briefing on Wednesday urged Afghanistan's neighbors to play a constructive role in Afghan peace talks in order for there to be a just and durable peace in the country. This comes at a time when the Afghan delegation are holding talks with a group of Afghan politicians led by former Vice President Yunus Qanoni, who have travelled to Tehran from Kabul. Iran's foreign ministry in a tweet confirmed that the Intra-Afghan Dialogue Summit opened on Wednesday morning and Afghan government delegation met with Taliban representatives.
Afghanistan's neighbors need to play a constructive role. What Iran is trying to do or is in the process of doing by hosting this meeting may be constructive. I think the jury is still out. This is obviously not something we have discussed with the Iranians, other than by making the point very publicly that Afghanistan's neighbors need to be responsible stakeholders.
The Taliban launched their offensive as US-led foreign forces withdrew after 2 decades of war. US troops abandoned their main base Bagram airfield earlier this week, a pullout that is raising concerns about a civil war there. Many Afghan women are also concerned about a possible imposition of restrictions on them as a result of peace agreement with the Taliban. Rights groups have been asking the US State Department and the White House to add up to 2,000 visas specifically for vulnerable women and women's advocates to a developing policy plan to evacuate thousands of Afghans after the US military pullout this month.